Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate your freelance rates with Fiverr. Quick tutorial step. To automate your freelance rates on Fiverr, start by logging into your Fiverr account. Navigate to the Selling tab on the top menu. Select gigs from the drop-down options. Choose the gig for which you want to automate your rates. Click on Edit to open the gig settings. Scroll down to the pricing section. Here, you can set your base price for each service. To introduce automation, consider using Fiverr's Packages feature. Enable packages to create different tiers for your services. Set specific prices for each package based on the service complexity. Define the delivery time for each package to streamline client expectations. Next, scroll to the Gig Extras section. Gig Extras allow you to offer additional services at an extra cost. Add relevant gig extras that complement your main service. Decide on pricing for each extra, ensuring it aligns with your overall value. To fully automate rate adjustments, explore the user data options under your profile settings. Fiverr allows you to adjust prices based on your performance metrics. Review your response times, order completion rates, and customer satisfaction scores. Utilize this data to dynamically adjust your rates if you wish. Consider enabling scheduled availability to manage client orders effectively. Set specific hours when you are available for work to balance your workload. With your rates and availability set, you can now focus on delivering high-quality work. Regularly review your gig performance through Fiverr Analytics for further adjustments. Implementing these steps will simplify rate management and help you maximize your earnings on Fiverr. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.